worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance.
2025 Audi rs3. MSRP $64. Est. At a glance. Highs. Distinctive inline-5 soundtrack, revised chassis software allows for easier drifting, upgraded standard tires promise more grip. Lows. Tight on rear passenger and cargo space, ride can be jittery over broken pavement. Verdict. Blending a compact footprint with a taut chassis and explosive acceleration, the rs3 delivers thrills on demand, but can be surprisingly comfortable when driven sedately. Overview. Small but powerful, the 2025 Audi rs3 sedan is ready to thrill or chill when the need for less extroverted behavior is required. The heart of the subcompact rs3 is its unique turbocharged inline 5-cylinder engine, which kicks out 401 horses to all four wheels, singing its inimitable song along the way. 60 mph comes up in just 3.3 seconds, and the standard torque vectoring all-wheel drive system has been tweaked this year to make hooning big drifts even easier. The rs3's bona fides are capable enough for track days too, Audi providing encouragement by offering R compound track tires as a factory option. But the rs3 is a versatile beast that can deliver a reasonably composed ride in normal driving along with class-competitive luxury and comfort for the front passengers at least, although it's technically a 5-passenger vehicle, seating in back can be tight. Yes, it's significantly more expensive than its A3 and S3 siblings, but 401 HP subcompact sport sedans are few and far between, and the rs3's turbo 5-cylinder engine adds to its mystique. What's new for 2025? 2025 sees the rs3 gain an even more aggressive appearance with a revised grille bracketed by larger air intakes, a full-width front splitter, and new matrix LED headlights and dynamic DRLs with 4 selectable graphics and animated lighting sequences. Rear tail lamps also get a fresh design, and there's a red reflector on the sizable rear diffuser. 3 new paint colors, Ascari Blue, Progressive Red, and Matte Daytona Gray, join the palette, as do new multi-spoke wheel designs. Interior updates include carbon fiber back seats, a new flat top and bottom steering wheel, and revised graphics for the tachometer. Audi has also updated the chassis control and driveline software for sharper responses and improved stability in performance driving. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Audi rs3 is expected to start around $64. rs3. $64,000, Est. The rs3 starts at around $64,000, and few options are offered. For those who plan on setting hot laps in the little sedan like we did at Virginia International Raceway during our 2023 Lightning Lap event, we recommend choosing the optional Pirelli P0 Trofeo R track tires, as their transformative properties are worth their weight in rubber. However, those who don't plan on taking their rs3 to the racetrack should stick with the standard rubber, which has been updated for 2025 and will likely have a longer shelf life. We'd skip the other packages, as they're mainly cosmetic. Engine, transmission, and performance. One of the most distinct elements of the rs3 is its unusual turbocharged 2.5-liter 5-cylinder engine rated for 401 horsepower. Its odd number of cylinders produce a unique thrumming soundtrack that is particularly pleasing to our ears. The engine pairs with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission that deliberately downshifts with slight throttle inputs. The rs3's standard all-wheel drive system includes a torque vectoring rear differential with a drift mode that Audi says benefits from fresh software calibration for 2025 to enhance stability and controls at speed. Even getting the rs3's tail to kick out and keeping it there, previously an arduous task, should now be easier thanks to its reliance on steering angle rather than the application of the throttle to initiate it. Compared with the lesser A3 and S3, the sportiest 3 has upgraded brakes, a stiffer suspension setup, and a unique set of wheels on stickier performance tires. The rs3 we drove produced the aforementioned exhilarating sounds, and the car's feisty nature was evident at the racetrack. Plus, it was composed and comfortable when driven sedately on regular roads. 0-60 mph times. At our test track, the rs3 delivered a blisteringly quick 3.3-second run to 60 miles per hour, continuing on to eclipse the quarter-mile mark in just 11.8 seconds at 117 miles per hour. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The 2025 rs3 is rated at 19 mpg in the city and 28 mpg on the highway. On our 75 miles per hour fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, the sedan outperformed its EPA estimate with a 33 mpg result. For more information about the rs3's fuel economy, visit the EPA website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the rs3's passenger space is identical to the A3 and S3, but it has a set of more aggressively bolstered front seats. Audi endows all versions with a dashboard that looks anything but bland. A pair of high-mounted air vents face the driver and flank the instrument panel binnacle that houses a set of digital gauges. The rs3 is also available with a head-up display. Below the center touchscreen are climate controls with physical buttons, and there's a bin below them that's integrated into the center console. Thankfully, the former weird, toggle-like console shifter has been replaced by a new flatter device. Paddles on the steering wheel remain a shift-it-yourself alternative once the rs3 is in motion. Infotainment and connectivity. Based on the infotainment system employed by the A3 and S3, the rs3 has a 10.1-inch touchscreen mounted in the middle of the dash. It can be controlled through touch inputs, buttons on the steering wheel, and voice commands. It also includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in navigation, a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot, and wireless phone charging are on the roster too. Safety and driver assistance features. The rs3 offers a mix of standard driver assistance technology as well as options such as adaptive cruise control and automatic high-beam headlights. For more information about the Audi's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Available blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Audi's limited and powertrain warranty are competitive with those of other German automakers. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown, get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip, you choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Yeah, there's no no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions, each new update, that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, so do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing